your laptop has become slow, cluttered, or full of random programs, the easiest way to fix it is to reset it back to its factory settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your laptop so it feels like it did when you first bought it. Let's jump straight in. First, open the Start menu, then type Settings, and click on the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, click System on the left side. Then scroll down and select Recovery. You'll now see an option called Reset this PC. Go ahead and click Reset PC. At this point, Windows will give you two different choices. The first option is to keep your files. This will keep your personal files like photos, videos, documents, but it will remove all the installed apps and reset Windows settings. The second option is to remove everything. This completely wipes the computer, deleting all files, apps, and settings, so the laptop is basically like brand new. If you're planning to sell your laptop or give it away, choose Remove Everything. But if you just want to fix performance issues and keep your files, then choose Keep My Files. Next, Windows will ask you how you want to reinstall the operating system. You can choose Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Cloud Download installs a fresh copy from Microsoft servers, while Local Reinstall uses the files already on your computer. Local reinstalls are usually much faster, so that is the option I recommend. You can also click Change Settings if you want to adjust some additional reset options. After that, click Next and Windows will start preparing the reset. Before the reset begins, you'll see a summary showing what will happen. Windows will reinstall the operating system, reset your settings back to default, and remove all installed programs. If you want to see exactly which apps will be deleted, click View Apps that will be removed. Your laptop will restart several times, and when it is finished, it'll be set up just like a fresh system again. And hopefully that fixes your problem. That's it. If this video helped you out, drop a comment below and let me know.